landing gear. A strengthened portion of the wing has attachments for the main landing gear, which is tucked inside the wing and body during flight. A hydraulic retraction actuator is attached to the main landing gear strut in such a way to rotate the gear into position for landing. Bearing doors pivot with the rotating action. When the landing gear is fully deployed, a hinged side brace and locking stay with its own actuator keep landing gear locked firmly in place. These components unlock and fold with the landing gear for stowing. The nitrogen and oil-filled struts also act as shock absorbers during landing. With an